Hello, I'm Dumbkitten. In previous videos, we were preparing the models. Now, let's start generating MetaHuman-related accessories. We'll use a very powerful plugin called Super Rigging. Download it from the official site or the link below. The author provides a free version for everyone to learn. If you can, getting an annual pass is quite cost-effective. This is the best plugin for MetaHuman conversion so far. I've tried MetaPipe and Mesh Morpher before. They are too complex and the installation is frustrating. I chose this one because it's simply much easier. After all, we all want to save some time. Click Documents, then Plugin Installation. Follow the simple instructions. Check FAQs if the plugin doesn't appear after installation. Solutions are clear. I encountered the third issue mentioned. If you used Quixel MS plugin, delete the quixel.mod file first. Then reinstall the plugin. It should work perfectly now. Find Super Rigging in the top menu after installation. Register an account on your first launch with your details. Now we are on the main plugin interface. Click here to switch the interface language. I am using the free version right now. The free version is powerful. Press 5 for shaded mode. It's easier to observe model changes in this mode. Click Auto Load. Head and body models will load automatically. If not, select them manually and click Load. Once loaded, click Standardize Naming to rename them. Correct naming is crucial to avoid errors later. Next is fixing vertex order for blend shapes. Vertex order is vital, as MetaHuman uses many blend shapes. The converted MetaHuman must have the exact same order. This ensures everything works correctly without any glitches. Click Fix Vertex Order. If the model turns green, don't worry. It simply means the material was lost during processing. Just reassign the material. Do the same for the body. You might see a visible gap between head and body. Click Fix Normals to remove this gap easily. Fix Seams isn't needed here as there's no actual gap. The head and body are already perfectly aligned. If they were separate, click Fix Seams before fixing normals. Then proceed with vertex order and normal fixes. Let's hide the beard for now to see clearly. The Generate Facial Accessories feature is the best part. MetaHuman has many facial components to handle. Doing this manually would be an absolute nightmare. I previously removed the original eyes and teeth for this. Click Generate Facial Accessories and wait for the process. It automatically generates eyes and teeth based on your model. It's incredibly convenient and saves so much effort. The green color is just a material issue we'll fix. It's not 100% perfect. The eye positions need some tweaks. We just need to make some minor adjustments. Delete the extra eye components like eye shell and eyelashes. Keep only the eyes, teeth, and saliva. Isolate the eyes, Control 1. Assign a material to the right eye. Do the same for the left eye with a separate material. Each eye needs its own material, not a shared one. These eyes aren't one mesh, so symmetry won't work yet. How do we ensure both eyes adjust simultaneously? Right-click one eye, go to Vertex and select All. Hold Shift and select all vertices for the other eye. Under Create, make a set and name it Eyes. Now right-click the set and select Set Members to adjust. With all vertices selected, you can now enable symmetry. This allows symmetrical editing for both separate eye meshes. Now, move the eyes into Kratos' eye sockets correctly. It's hard to see without textures, so let's add one. Use the provided texture map from the asset pack, or create your own. You just need a visual reference. Apply the same texture to the other eye as well. Press 6 to show materials and check the eye positions. Refine the placement, especially the pupil alignment. Avoid making them too far in, out, or cross-eyed. Try to match the character's specific personality. For Kratos, pupils should be slightly higher for a fierce look. Be patient with this process to get it right. Next, use the grab brush in sculpting to adjust eyelids. Ensure eyelids wrap perfectly around the eyeball shape. Once eyes are done, move on to the teeth. Assign a new material and give it a clear name. Apply a texture to the teeth for better visibility. The saliva can have a transparent material. Switch to front view and enable X-ray mode. Selecting teeth and gums separately is tedious. Middle-click and drag saliva into the teeth group. Scale the teeth. Generally, the ends align with the eye centers. Refer to anatomical references online for more accuracy. Now go to side view to adjust the depth. Teeth are usually centered slightly below the lip line. You can use your own mouth as a quick reference. Once finished, freeze transformations to reset the coordinates. In perspective view, use a large sculpt grab brush. Move the lips temporarily to check the tooth placement. Remember to Ctrl Z to undo after you've checked. If it looks off, go back to side view and adjust. Keep checking the results in perspective view with the brush. That should be enough for the teeth placement. Next is the oral cavity. Select faces in the UV editor. Select all head faces and press Ctrl H to hide them. This dark area is the cavity. It's currently hard to see. Go to Lighting and enable two-sided lighting. Now use the sculpt brush to adjust its shape easily. Just make sure it wraps the teeth. Precision isn't critical. Brushes might struggle with the upper teeth edges. Use vertex mode or soft selection to pull edges out. The cavity is done. Press Shift-H to hide the head. Turn off two-sided lighting and check for mesh clipping. Fix any clipping by tucking the mesh back in slightly. We're almost done. Remember to pull the gums out. Open the plugin again and click Auto Load Model. The eyes and teeth will now be loaded automatically. Click Generate Facial Accessories again. It won't duplicate existing ones. It generates other eye parts based on your adjusted eyes. The positioning is now very accurate, requiring minimal changes. The eyelash is just a low-poly proxy for reference. UE5 uses Groom for hair, so we don't need this. It doesn't have BS deformation anyway, so just delete it. Finally, assign materials to the remaining eye attachments. Name them according to the meshes for easy identification. Give them some transparency since they are usually clear. All accessories are done. Click Auto Load Model once more. This ensures everything is properly loaded for the next step. Save a new file version here just to be safe. We will start the rigging transfer in the next video. Keep creating and keep the passion alive. See you in the next one.